If you just tuned in, sounded little kabangayong laleli. Nyalo sort of stuff sasekhaya Eswatini uve ukuthi ekhaya Eswatini this is what we have. Luckily enough for me, I have a guy in the studio lasavela khona. His name is Brace SD. Kukhona la siphathele khona, and best thing is uvele wakhetha ukuthi akuvuke kuqala la emsakadweni yeUniso FM. Bangakakuva bonke labanye. Nabo ke mawuyiva le ngoma ithi angikutshele ukuthi ucele kiva kuqala la emsakadweni yeUniso FM. Ngingangeni kuye mhlambe ndokuqala ngithatha ingoma yakhe la ikhokhe nje just 2 months back lethi ngishaya kancane ngathi ngibuya kiyo le ngoma bese sengibuya kuye siyasitshela ukuthi Brace HD ungubani uqhamukaphi asathise kabanti ngayo kwanyalo lona ingoma ya Brace HD uhamba na Moses uhamba na Snelo Styles uhamba na Best Man BYG kama le ngoma lithi ngishaya kancane 17 minutes after 4. This is the hottest frequency in the motherland, Uniso FM. Pushing number.
The is black.
Sort the music to the world.
No, it's white.
It's white. Okay, black and white.
Ngumeni ngenzatha kusa ngavule amadolo ngapakisha twa ngalikombe koli nasepusheni idlodi konelikhilo kwamele ngiphansi futhi umndeni ulaludlile kuyimanje nje aya kancane njengomosi aya kancane ngempumelelo aya kancane akekho zongibili angidalila kuyimanje nje aya kancane njengomosi aya kancane ngempumelelo aya kancane akekho zongibili angidalila
solo ngiyakhuleka imthandazo yami iviwa nguwe kuphela baba ayabakwadi ukungivimbela ngeke balunge bayophelelwa amandla Thixo wami vula indlela kulo mhlaba kuhlangene nalo mhlaba lo uyahlaba kumnanzi nasoda impela lo mthwalo lo lamahlombe ami lejoke liyangesenzi ngakho ngihlale ngivuka ekuseni ngisusa ingubo ngibekele angeke ngivuma ngeke kulunga hlulwa impilo ebhekane nami ingane ephonsa phule khana uma ngisisedluleke
kuyimanje nje aya kancane njengomosi aya kancane ngempumelelo aya kancane akekho zongibili angidalila
ngobekezela ngibambisisa impilo yasina mfanana izinto zami mabayihlangani zophatanisa mfanana noma iyashisa ngizoyibamba insimbi ngidela ufa mfanana njengosebisi ngeke bangicede noma bengigoba kuyafana zonke le nkinga umdlela amaphepha ngimkanje bomvu kule ndima mina kudala ngiwapheca amapheji nginakhathali angisena nembeza kule nkinga lezi ngikanda amasendi ngiyophumuzwa isuna ney'ngubo zami ziyothunga awelele
kuyimanje nje aya kancane njengomosi aya kancane ngempumelelo aya kancane akekho zongibili angidalila sekufike mina ikala feeling drop ama-hits ifudumala njengemkhala wami uyabanza nawife ngamthatha mathematics ngicalculator ngithema ngicwadla bangikaya amanani badidekile bayaphikisa nakekho ngangikhona ngenami bafana lento ngayikhala ngimncane notsaphulelo ngidlula amakhehla ngiserve sentence mhlambe ngisejele ngilokhu ngama-hate makungenamali angiperformi me I need a pay for my family I'm bossing the game and they mad at me I'm counting the checks like it's vanity kuyimanje nje aya kancane njengomosi aya kancane ngempumelelo aya kancane cause of pain. Angalela.
This is the hottest frequency in the motherland. Just give you something from Brace SD. It's called Shagangan Obana Moses, Snello Styles, and Bestman BYG. Fortunately enough for us, this guy is in studio today. It's got something chill us in 22 minutes after 4 p.m. Think 14 namuhla enyangeni ya March 2025. Ngithangisho ukuthi phezu komkhono noma nje ngekho but ngiyashayisa ngasikisi. Uyabona nje into so. Phezu komkhono laba yilihlane ethemba ukuthi into ihamba kakhala kamnanzi ngakhona la ungakhona khona. We'll be joining you later mina mangiphuma khehla sihamba yini masiphuma la ehlane. Okay, never mind. But ndaba ukujoin after this. But best part about this, the promoter Swati music to the world, is we have Brace HD in studio njengamanje. Sikuvusele ngomngelo emsakadweni Uniso FM ehlelweni local izineke kunjani mnakethu?
Mnakethu.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami ngomngelo emsakadweni. Uright ke?
Ngiphilile kakhulu mnakethu. Ngithanda ukubonga ithuba nje mnakethu ukuthi lamhla ngikhona nami ukuvela la. Emsakadweni ngidawuphusha lo msebenzi lomkhulu nakangaka.
Nembala.
Sisemsebenzini.
Mhlambe for the sake of lona losekhaya longakwadi longathi ukuthi Brace SD ngibani mhlambe ungathi nje kafishane usitshele ukuthi Brace SD ungubani uqhamukapi vele igama lakhe lekutalwa ngubani ngoba lela Brace nyathi la stage
Uqinisile lapho mnethu. Brace SD ligama lakhe lekutalwa uNduduzo wakanzinisa Sibongo usuka eLubonjeni enzaweni yakuMambane. Laba yadiku kakhulu kusuka kusempolintshini lapho ngihlala khona Mambane. Shothi ijeni yami kwenta umusic. Into nje lengayiqala ngicabanga ukuthi mase ngitoceda score actually ka form 4. Yeah, that is when I realized that no, I can do something in talent like music. So ngaba like okay, let me get something ngihlanganise lapha nalapha kuze ngikhona ngena e-studio kube khona lenginikete emaswati. Kade ngiqala ngwenta music sengilokuthi nyamlami umhla ngidelela music lengicetha ku release recently. So yeah,
okay
nje lekho kakhulu legend ngisuka
uthi indvulo watibona esikolweni ukuthi indvulo ongayenda le
yebo.
wakhetha wena ukuthi nayi ke indvulo sengiyayenda going forward.
Not like ukuze like ngaphuma esikolweni ngase ngiqhubeka nemusic. Ngabona nje ukuthi ngiqhubeka ngifunza
Wafunza wathi
indlela lengithanda ngayo music nendlela lengithanda ngakhona ukubhala ngibhalela mina ngingasahlabeli lokho labakuhlabelako. Ngabona ukuthi nami kukhona lengingayenda la leti into labatendawo labahlabelako.
okay
Into nami lengakhona ukudenda ngaba like okay asengifunze ngiqede. And then ngitase ngithola opportunity wenda music kimi nyalo. It is something like a hobby.
okay
Into lengiyenda nje exciting. Ngiyakusebenta I'm a qualified pharmacy technician.
Technician
Yes. Ngisebenza lapha eNazarene eRFM.
okay
So music ngiwenda nge-spare time sami.
Wena ngifuna ukubuza na umbuto lothi ithini iplan yakho ngemusic in the next 5 to 10 years. Ngiyuva uthi hobby. But clearly between the two of us you have invested a lot of money from studio time, recording time, equipment, blah blah blah. Now begs the question, where do you see yourself in your music career eminyakeni lesihlanu le-10 lesiyakiyo, as much as kuyi-hobby kwamanje?
Okay. As much as kuyi-hobby lokwenda umusic ngeke silibalekele leqiniso lekuthi umusic uyibusiness. Umusic njengoba uyibusiness nje nami ngiplanile ukuthi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ugcine sekuba khona lokungena ama-set ngente ama-shows ngente ama-gigs ngiperforma lapha nalapha kungene imali ngikhone nami kubuya ngithole back le mali lesolo ngifaka ekurecording kwami music. So in the next 5 to 10 years to come I think maybe nami ndabe sengingilomunye walama artists
Okay.
lamakhulu la kankona.
Okay,
Sure.
nakulokuhleke lapho ngiyajabula kuva lokho amaphupho mahle ngivusela inhlanhla. All the best of luck.
Ngiyabonga.
But I want to ask you this thing. Umculo wakho lo producer, is it protected? Is it registered? Is it i-account noma ngingathi ownership yawo ikuwe yini? Ngibutela ukuthi we have ama platforms afaka ikhathi eSwatini Copyright and Neighboring Rights Society eSwatini. Ngabe soke weva ngawo futhi ukena uva ngawo wente tabatini ngoba phela wabo umsebenzi is to register licensing and royalty collection and distribution, rights enforcement, copyright education. Wena bongathi ukuphi wena as far as indzabeni tema copyright education, do you understand what you're doing? Do you understand what's important? Ikakhulu uma uthi ngalelinye lemalanga ufuna igcine ubhadala lethu.
Wasenza indzaba lenkulu kakhulu lapho. Wami umusic ngathini yonke into le music wami, from beat making nakufaka ema vocals, konke lokho ngisho ukuthi kusuka kimi.
Okay. Split sheet is clear.
Split sheet is clear.
Sure.
Mangisebenzisana na producer mhlambe lo munye sithi sakha beat. Leyo beat leyo it is directly to me.
Okay.
Ngeke kwenteke ngive ukuthi mhlambe sekulo munye umuntu.
Okay.
Lokho sikwenta ngathini business wise. Siyabhalela phasi siyasho ukuthi lena le beat lena sengithatha sengiclaimile nami yami. So lokulandzelako i-production konke lokho le sometimes ngitendela i-production ngibe ngisebenzisana nalamanye ama-producers ala kangwane. Lengawa mention nje la ngivama ukusebenzisana nawo Alex, Mr Kangaroo, eMzansi khona nalamanye amajita bo AI Plus Beats, yebo. Bantu balabo ngisebenzisana nawo bangendele ama-beats sibuye siphinde sihlanganise music sikhokhe music lomnanzi sinikede imaswati.
Bongathi-ke umuntu losekhaya njengamanje lo uvuya ukhuluma ngale ndzaba uyalibuka uyaliphendula manje uzokhuluma ngani Precious? Umculo wami uthi ngoba mina mose ngikho ukuhlabela ke usho ukuthi mina ngeke ngikhone ukuba ne-music because angikhona ukuyiproducela. Ngento enjani lapho noma sivumelane nalo producer ukuthi sidatha 10% wami because I'm a vocalist ngoba ngiyicomposer.
Okay, indzaba le ngathi le umculo kakhulu le and is serious. Lamanye ema-artists lasakhula nami ngikwendile sakhula. Yabona ukuthi uthi ungena online for example bo-YouTube ukhanze ama-beat lamnanzi, ube like le beat lena mangingahlabela tikwayo le ngaba nengoma hit la nembala vele uyithathe ungene ufake lo kwalo, but iqiniso lengingakutshela lona leyo ngoma leyo akusiyo yakho. Yes, because most of the time lawo ma-beats lamanye akhona anema-tags ala ma-producers lasho ukuthi thenga le beat ngikunike ibe yakho ungibhadale because it's business. Music is business.
Alright.
Ngikunike ibe yakho bese soyahamba uyarecord ingoma yakho seyaphuma. Le ngoma yakho mayiphuma ayisena tag le beat seyakho, so ngatifakela yakho i-tag. So lamanye ama-artists makasakhula ayakusebenzisa lokho, but ngingaku-advise na ukuthi ukusebenzise mangabe ukupractice but wathi kahle ukuthi ngeke wente imali ngale ngoma.
Asengibude nangombudo-ke. Sesiphila esikhathini sa-AI, artificial intelligence. Bo-producer labaningi nabo-DJ sebayasaba nyalo ukhokha ama-snippets engoma dabo. Hayi no, ayusibambe ebuhlungu madoda, usibambe ngemoto usibambe so.
AI wakho madoda.
Uposta i-snippet sengoma yakho lento ayirelease. Inale beat ngithi akadzingi 30 seconds AI. Udzinga 7 seconds. Amasterishe le beat yakho. How would you protect yourself from that thing? Ulamsakadweni nyalo ne? Udo promote music wakho.
Yes.
Lana sita udlala AI angenzawo la. Kehle khona AI la. Yeah, we have protected la. But now if I go online, whether your Facebook, whether anything, your YouTube, a snippet of that song, you are at the risk of ngoma yakho AI. Yabona akusasina lokuthi bantu AI kusengayisample. How would you protect yourself from that as a producer?
Ngiyaye ngithi yes lo mangabe uyi-beat producer kuyaye kube inkinga kuwe because ukuthi abantu bayibone le business yakho ukuthi ngabe uthathe leso snippet vele uhambe usufede leso lesincane.
Yes,
ukuthi babone ukuthi nawo umsebenzi wakho usebenza kanje lo. But for ama-artist ngiyaye ngithi mina kuvete lokho lokuveta but uvete small portion ngeke simbalekele AI unethi indlela takhe ngalo nje sisenkingeni vele ya AI ngeke sisubalekele iqiniso ngoba at the same time siyafuna kuba promoted
kunjalo
kuze kuze music wakho bawazi beve ukuthi ngathi kunengoma lefuna iphume kufuna ufake lapha ku TikTok for example file TikTok bakubone
Facebook lapha
okay khonto lekufunayo
ku Instagram lapha ya
mangabe ungakwenzi
asikwadi
ngeke ngade vele
kunjalo.
So ngathi asifake but sifake that small portion AI uyevakala AI na mangabe unake kahle
ya
uyeva ukuthi hayi lo AI lona khona enike AI usetshenziswa most of the time kuba abantu
yes
kuba ngumuntu nje abela khenye isandla na beat yana
sase le beat
asithathe le beat ngifake la ngitentele yami
yes
siyayiva le beat hawo umuntu AI ngoba phela siyabuya kwese sinikete ama stems ale beat yakho
akho
sinikete ama stems ukuthi uyakhila ibeat
apply ama stems
lapha ama stems that is when lese siyabona ukuthi hayi
ukhulumisa kwa producer man khehla
But AI blind.
vuka khehla kambe ungalalo khwehlela namuhla
AI blind.
kambe ungalalo khwehlela namuhla khehla but I like what you say in the stems and the things like that. For those of you who are joining umsakazo, this is Uniso FM 88.2 Love at First Sound. Igama lelihlelo is #local is Legas promoter ema creatives ema artists ekhaya eSwatini. And in studio we do have Brace SD. Tositshela ke ingoma takhe lathi promoter yako eqala ithi ngishaya kancane le remix and then le style kudlalela yona izilokusa hamba na Mr Kangaroo. Ngamhlola ke inkundleni takhe tekuxhumana awuthi ngimnike lithuba nje ngoba sesela anitshele ngicela ushare nje balaleli bethu ukuthi ngabe lapha enkundleni tekuxhumana Facebook Instagram ngabe sikuthola ngabani igama sitokhona ukuthi bahambe bakufollowisha balike siyacela ukuthi nisubscribe phela amaswati amahle kukhula kwalama artists kusekuthenini nithi manifika kulama pages awo like ni share uyabona boss ni subscribe phela ngiyona ndlela bese nifile mos ukuthi la eSwatini sihlongotela ukuthi bantu bagcine babhadaleka ngama creative creativity yabo ngeke sikwende lo maswati amahle ngaphandle kwenu nje ukuthi niye naniva lama artists lamsakadweni niye le page umbuyo ulike ngeke kwendeke sekutena yenye ingoma lo Thansile ngeke kuzokwendeke lokho kepha ke mnethu ngicela bashare ama socials akho
Brace SD singamthola ka Facebook it's Brace Zebra laba ngathi kuba ngibita ngeli zebra mina black and white so uyahamba ubuka Brace Zebra ka Facebook uyabuya ka Instagram khona uthathola lembala emibili ngivele ngicale ngizile lembala emibili then ngithola lapho kuvele straight ka TikTok it's Brace SD in brackets let him cook ngeke yena pheke let him cook so uyangithola lapho kuma social links uyabuya music wami ka YouTube it's Brace Vivo lapho uyakhona ukungithola uya subscribe uyabukela kune album nje lengikhokhile kulamalanga album liphethe 10 ama tracks lapho kunezingoma longishaya kancane limcetha kudlalela nyala bacetha kudlalela wona une remix yawo lakhona kufeature khona bo Typho Sun bo Apex Musa Gray from SA kubuye kungena bo Dr Bay kubuye sifeature bo Mr Kangaroo ingoma yalokusa lengayidlala badayidlala mathutana so ngiyacela maswati support yenu kude lokunye ngaba ngongaphandle kwe support ngiyole ngithi ngako kakhulu.
One last thing before I let you go, my brother. So basilile inkundla zokuxhumana. Kunalolalele ekhaya ngenteka iproducer, ngenteka iartist uyacabanga ngathi phendula uthi mina ngiyafuna collaborate nalo mjida, ngiyafuna ngifeatureishe lo. Ukhula kuphi? How do you get it? Ukuphi la ngashare khona ikakhulu enombolweni abo WhatsApp labangakuthola khona labo labafuna ukusebenzisana nawe. Bafuna ukubhuka futhi nalabanye. Mhlambe ungawashareisha lezo nombolo email addresses.
Okay, ngicela ukuqala nge-email address lemaka ngithola kuyo sinsinisa.nduduzo@gmail.com uyangithola lapho sinsinisa.nduduzo@gmail.com uyangithola lapho uyangifakela umlayeto siyabuya siyakhuluma ka WhatsApp ngicabanga ukuthi ngingakhuluma nalomunye umjida lengisebenzisana naye inombolo yakhe ithi 7999691 ekugcineni 7999691 ekugcineni bese kuthi ke mangabe yeshuleka leyo seningashaya ngishayele 78659025 lapho kunake nihlale ngingalitholi usito. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ngibonga mnakethu. Ngifuna ukuphuma ngengoma yakho lana lethi Phakama Africa. Kepha ke boshito ukuthi kunale album yakho lokusa lo release it has 10 tracks inside. So ngake mlaleli ufune Brace SD lapha yaka YouTube and then you get to know ulalele onke lama tracks lawa. Iphume nje just about a month ago. So please go out there, let's support local. Sengiphuma nje ngicela phuma ngengoma yakho lethi Phakama Africa lapho khona uhamba nakasikazi. i-produce nge-AI plus beats. And of course, sifuna nje ukubonga mina kethu for isikhathi sakho, and we want to wish you all the best of luck with your career. Uyathi umsakazo uvulekile, sivule tandla kuwonke nawonke ezosabuyele emuva batshele nabo ukuthi umsakazo uvule tandla. One last question before I let you go ngidlala ingoma yakho. Yini ofuna ukuyibona ihluka ku-music industry wethu la kaNgwane? Yini nje into ofuna ukubona ishintsha kulo mnyaka wa 2026?
Ngiletha abantu ithinzile manje. Lo ithinzile ukuthi sekubuke kungazi ukuthi ku YouTube nakulethe indlela zokuxhumana sokutaba khona kubhadaleka lokuba khona. Hey, siyayifaka imali la ama-Central Music man.
Yeah.
Sayufaka imali lapha, sathifaka imali sambe so recorder, udulile lokho record, ukhanze bakwentela i-beat, uyabuya recorder. Konke lokho singa imali, singa pocket nayo le mali lesingenayo.
Wena nje nangabe usho wathi uyasebenza sengingacabanga ke lo ngasebenzi yena lo hlele ekhaya afuna kube ngumculo ukuthi asizoyithatha phi kanti impela
khala thina sibasikhanga lapho labasikhangeta khona. So ngiyabona kumuntu lomunye unalo le talent lomuntu sekushoda
magama egcina kumkhuthada bongathini
angagive up akachubeke khona indlela khona ama opportunities la tovela akhona naye kuvela likhono lakhe. One song, it takes only one song ukuthi uvele sive sekubona wathola lelo thuba lelo nje.
Ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho mina kethu ngubisela all inhlanhla enkulu kakhulu with your work. Keep on working hard my brother, we see you. Singumsakazo we-SFM siyakubona, we are giving you this platform. Awugcina mla sisho ngoba sowufikile awuphinde ubuye. We are more than welcome to come back. Usinike more of your music. Sikhubeke sikukhulise sikhule nawe nanathi. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time. Ndophuma ngengoma yakho lana lethi Phakama Africa uhamba nagasikazi on this one. Isikhathi sami mlalezi ngitshela ukuthi 22 emizuzu singakafika ensimbini yesihlanu. This is UNSFM 88.2 Love at First Sound. Uma ngabe uthanda ukuvulela lo msakazo iyangichaza le ndlela ocabanga ngayo uyatata itinto manje uyabona into tekwendiwa. This is the hottest frequency in the motherland isidlala local music kusukela manje kushaya yena 5 o'clock. This is Praise HD igama lengoma lithi Phakama Africa. Nami ngisho njalo ngithi Phakama Africa. Phakama Africa.
Knocked over.
Lengoma ejabulisa abalele njenge-alarm useyivusa abalele. Bengikulobuthe dlodila ngiphunga lathi ukawubangene. Bengisasemncane nganivulela sandla italente yavela likhulumele. Ngiyabonga abagogo kini ngiyakholwa ngiyafunga never ngibayekele. Makhosi phambili impela emuva khashane angitangiyadodlala la asibambisane. Kuleli nyanga midrive nenganye ngithethela umculo emaphupha amanyenti. Konke kwamsathi kwavuleka emsazeni ntona igolda bagcoke emajazi. Afrika isomara ngumbuke ndazi mawungena lise mabadi ibubo lami kuvakala all over. Ngipheko nami sengike inkolode ngithola indili ngiyakubhadala isikolo sengene ekhasi kuphakame all over. Ugqile emsamo ngayishunqisa imbebo makuvume bogogo bakithi kuphelele. Nginikethe umpopho italent ikhulumele. Sabuke Eswatini nesintu ngisimelele. Manje ngihlabela ingoma ngihlabela ingoma we. Ngihlabela ingoma we. Wakalotshwele Phakama Africa.
Ngiyakuphakamisa ngiyamfaleka imisa iphakamile impela sengisukumile kancane kancane sengikhuphukile ngitshele wadini ngemsamo awuyeke kucosha besimamo Mdukulu wami ligosha semandi kwamele ngikwatise ngemvelaphi yakho ngibona ngila kuyacaca sobala kwekuthi ngiyamatike umveli incane. We pretty much rooted, music from Kasi is rooted. Together is Africa, ngeke balunge we rooted. We pretty much rooted, music from Kasi is rooted. Together is Africa, ngeke balunge we rooted.
Ukile msamo ngayishunqisa imbebo mavume bogogo bakithi kuphelele nginikethe umpophi talented khulumele sabuke Eswatini nesintu ngisimelele manje ngihlabela ingoma we ngihlabela ingoma we wakalutshwele